How to make the Wi-Fi icon appear on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're having the issue where your Wi-Fi symbol is disappeared from your computer, so you can see that if I click on the Wi-Fi symbol down here, you can see I don't actually have an option for Wi-Fi. So if you're experiencing something similar, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and solve this. Now the very first step is to open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for Troubleshoot and click on the Troubleshoot settings. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Next to Network and Internet, click on Run. Now you can basically go through the steps here to try and diagnose any issues with your network. So it may just go and detect the problem straight away. You can see here my network adapter is disabled and I can simply click on this button to go and fix the issue. Now yours may be slightly different to this, but you just need to go through the steps to try and diagnose any issues. If it's not working, the next step is to open up your Start menu, go and search for Control Panel and click on this window. In the top right hand side, make sure the view bar is set to Category, select Network and Internet, click on Network and Share and Center, and then select Change Adapter Settings in the left hand side. Now from here, go and locate your Wi-Fi adapter, mine's this one here, and you need to make sure that it's currently enabled. So you can do that just by right clicking on it and selecting Enable. If it's already enabled, then I'd recommend trying to disable it and re-enable it. So you can just right click and press Disable, and then you can right click on it again and press Enable. Now once you've done that, you can check to see if your Wi-Fi is now showing up in the taskbar. If it's still not working, then open up your Start menu again. Search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Network Adapters, click on View, and then press Show Hidden Devices. Now you need to go and locate your network adapter. So mine's this Intel Wi-Fi one here, and we need to right click on this, click on Properties, click on Driver, and if you have the option to roll back the driver, go and click on this, and that should go and solve the Wi-Fi issue. Now if you have tried all of the steps and it's still not working, open up your Start menu once again, search for Settings and click on the window, click on Network and Internet in the left hand side, click on Advanced Network Settings at the bottom of this page. You can then scroll down to Network Reset and click this, click on Reset Now, and then just press Yes. You'll then need to go and restart your computer, and that will have solved the Wi-Fi issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.